Hello, welcome to our channel. We're happy to share simple, natural choices that can improve your life. Today's topic is something many people use in food, dill, also known as a fresh green herb with unique aroma. Some people add it to soups, others use it in salads or fish dishes. But dill offers more than flavor. Let's begin with digestion. Dill has been traditionally used to support the digestive system. Many people feel lighter after meals containing dill. Another important benefit is antioxidants. Dill contains natural compounds that help protect your cells. This supports long-term health. Then comes relaxation. Some people drink dill tea for calming effects. It may help your body feel more relaxed. This is why dill is sometimes connected with better sleep. Another important area is your heart. Dill contains nutrients that support circulation. This helps your cardiovascular system function more smoothly. Then comes your immune system. Dill contains vitamins that support natural defense processes. Your body responds better to stress. Another important point is freshness. Dill may help freshen breath naturally. Now let's talk about inflammation. Dill contains plant compounds that may help reduce internal irritation. This supports balance inside your body. Another important benefit is your skin. Healthy nutrients support healthier appearance over time. But here's the truth. Dill is not magic. It is simply a healthy herb. Its power comes from regular use as part of a balanced nutrition. Now, here's the key idea. Simple green herbs can support your body in many ways. You do not always need expensive products. Sometimes small, natural foods create the biggest impact, because real health is built from small, daily habits, repeated consistently. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care.